Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So are you ready to embark on a flavorful journey to the sunny coast of Portugal? Today we are bringing you a heartwarming and incredibly delicious classic, our authentic Portuguese prawn rice, which is also known as Arroz de Camarao. This isn't just a rice dish, it's a celebration of fresh seafood and vibrant Mediterranean flavors. We are talking about plump, juicy prawns cooked to perfection with aromatic long grain rice infused with sweet tomatoes and garlic. It is a comforting one-pot meal that's both rustic and elegant, perfect for sharing with family and friends. The aroma alone will transport you straight to the seaside tavern in Lisbon. So whether you are a seafood enthusiast or just looking for a simple yet impressive dish, this recipe is a must-try. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. If you are new on this channel, then please hit a subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 20 prawns washed and cleaned. Then simply remove the shells. Separate the shells and leave it in a separate plate. And leave the prawns separately. Make sure to keep the prawn shell as we do not discard the shells. We are going to use the shells to make the stock. So I have peeled all the prawn shells. And these are the prawns which we will use later in the recipe. Then to make the stock, in a hot pan add 4.5 cup water. Add 3 bay leaves, 4 garlic cloves roughly cut. Add some salt to taste. Then add the prawn shells. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then give it a nice mix. And boil it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then simply strain the stock. Now the stock has got a nice prawn flavor. Now discard the prawn shells. So leave the stock aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add the prawns. And fry the prawns. Add some salt to taste. Fry it until the prawns are cooked. Fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes until they turn pink and slightly golden. Then simply remove the prawns in a separate plate. Then in a same pan add oil. Add 2 onions chopped. Add 4 garlic cloves chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 carrots cut in small cubes. Fry it until the carrots are nice and soft. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add 2 tablespoons hot sauce, 4 tablespoons tomato ketchup or tomato puree, and cook the sauce for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 cups Portuguese Arroz rice. I have also written the name on the side in the brackets. and give it a nice mix. Then add the prawn stock which was previously made and add 2 bay leaves, 3 stock cubes, add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is 80% cooked. So the rice is cooked now about 80%. Then give it a nice mix. Then simply add the cooked prawns. Add 3 tablespoons butter. Add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and then give it a gentle mix. Then cover it and cook it on a low flame until the rice is fully cooked. So the rice is fully cooked now. Then give it a nice mix. So the Portuguese prawn rice is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own comforting and flavor packed Portuguese prawn rice. Just look at that, a perfect one pot meal where every grain of rice is infused with the sweet and savory flavors of the sea. This dish is a true taste of Portugal and it's something special. You can easily create it at home. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's the perfect dish for a family meal or when you are simply craving a delicious and a wholesome taste of coast. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.